Subject generation of computer. There are five generation of computer: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. So first generation spanning life is 1943 to 1956, and second generation is 1957 to 1964. Third generation is 1957 to 1965 to 1971, and fourth generation is 1970 to present. So last one is fifth generation, present to the end. First generation. In first generation, use the in first generation of computer, use the vacuum tube. It produces the electricity, and input purpose use the number of punch cards. It is the fastest machine at that time. It nearly occupies the one room. So example of ENIAC, IBM 652 and IBM 701. So some disadvantages: it maintaining high cost, storage capacity is very less, and the speed of computer is too much slow. It is a big, nearly occupies one room, and large amount of heat is produced. That purpose use the cooling fans in first generation. So second is second generation of computer. In second generation, vacuum tube replaced with the transistor. In the spanning life is 1943 to 1956. It in second generation use the core memory of storage interaction. In second generation, still uses the punch card, and output purpose use the printer. It uses the high assembly language like assembly and COBOL. Some disadvantages: little bit heat is produced. Size of computer is large. Cost is also high. Weight is high. It can't portable easily one place to another place. Third generation of computer. The spanning life of third generation is 1965 to 1971. Transistor replaced with the integrated circuit, means IC. In third generation of computer is fully developed. It gives the multitasking programming. Input purpose is the monitor, and output purpose is the printer. It uses the high assembly language like C++, Java, HTML, C language. So advantages: improving the capacity of storage memory. Weight is gradually decreased. Size of computer is reduced, and third generation can't produce by the heat. So for fourth generation of computer, the spanning life is 1972 to present. In fourth generation, integrated circuit replaced with the VLSI, means very large scale interaction. It depends upon the microprocessor. It uses the many languages, example as simulation, Unix, and Windows. Advantages: they uses the LSI chip technology, microprocessor. They use the microprocessor technology. Power. They require less electricity, and also size is also less. They had more primary capacity. Generation of computer. So last one is fifth generation of computer. In fifth generation, VLSI replaced with the ULSI. ULSI means ultra large scale interaction. Fifth generation total depend on artificial intelligence. The use the VLSI replaced with the VLSI. Fifth generation computer can perform complex tasks. They are different and productive. They use the high language like C++, Java, Python, HTML. Example as ChatGPT, DeepSeek, AI. Advantages. Fifth generation of computer have many advantages, including faster processing size and parallel processing. They are lightweight and easy to move.